Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by putting the Apple Watch on correctly, snug and high on the wrist so the green sensors make steady contact. Open the workout app and pick the activity you plan to do, or select Other to record a custom session. Once done, make sure heart rate, motion calibration, and location services are enabled in settings on both watch and paired iPhone so distance, pace, and calorie calculations are accurate from the very first minute. You should start the workout promptly with a tap or by saying, "Hey Siri, start an outdoor run," to avoid missing warm-up data. While moving, glance at heart rate zones and pace on the watch face to adjust effort. Maintaining a target zone improves results. Use lap and pause controls strategically. Enable auto-pause for stop-and-go activities, and set alerts for cadence or pace to keep consistent segments. These choices refine how the watch logs distance. When you finish, end and save the workout immediately so the watch finalizes duration and intensity. You'll review a detailed summary first on the watch, and then tap into the iPhone fitness and health apps to analyze splits, heart rate recovery, and trends over time. Make adjustments to daily move and exercise goals based on results. If metrics seem inaccurate, recalibrate by doing a continuous 20-minute outdoor walk at a brisk pace with iPhone nearby to refine GPS and stride data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.